Cambridge International AS Level Sociology Mechanisms of Social Order. 1. Power. Definition. Power refers to the ability to influence or control the behavior of others. It is a key mechanism for maintaining social order. Types of power. Social order can be maintained through various forms of power such as political power, economic power, and social influence. 2. Ideology. Definition. Ideology represents a system of beliefs, values, and ideas that legitimize and support existing social structures. Role in order maintenance. Dominant ideologies shape individuals' perceptions, fostering a sense of legitimacy for the existing social order. 3. Force. Coercive measures. Force involves the use of physical or coercive measures to maintain order. Law enforcement. Formal institutions like the police and legal systems play a role in using force to prevent and control deviant behavior. 4. Consensus. Shared norms and values. Order is maintained when individuals share common norms and values, leading to consensus on acceptable behavior. Social control. The concept of a social control suggests that individuals agree to follow certain rules in exchange for the benefits of living within a society. 5. Social control. Formal and informal mechanisms. Social control mechanisms, both formal laws and informal social norms, contribute to maintaining order. Socialization. The process of socialization teaches individuals that the norms and values of society fostering order. 6. Institutions. Role of institutions. Social institutions such as family, education, and religion contribute to order maintenance by providing structure and regulating behavior. Normalization of behavior. Institutions play a role in normalizing certain behaviors and discouraging deviance. 7. Social contracts and agreements. Implicit agreements. Social order often involves implicit agreements and understandings among individuals. Mutual dependence. Individuals depend on each other for various resources, and adherence to social order ensures mutual benefits.